Not all cats go meow. Some sound like they need a reboot. Number 3. Siamese cat. These drama queens don't meow. They yowl like they're singing opera in pain. Number 2. Oriental shorthair. This cat's voice. Loud. It screams like it's late for work, and it's uber canceled. It literally says M-E-H-H-H-H-H, like a goat-cat hybrid. Number 1. Maine Coon. Big body, tiny bird voice. It trills like a confused pigeon stuck in a cat costume. If your ears are confused but your heart's entertained, smash that subscribe for more animal madness. Only on Jungle Jumps.